everybody, this is Chris. He's going to go over why he chose his bike for the winter storage tech pick this year. So let's take it away, Chris.
All right. Hey, I'm Chris. This year my tech pick is this 2020 Road Glide Special in Barracuda Silver. Main reason I picked this bike, it's got the 131 kit in it. We did this bike, we built it in-house. One of our master techs put in a torque cam in it as well. Stage 4 all the way. I like the sound. It's got tab, 4-inch exhaust on it. Sounds amazing. Rides and it rumbles. Barracuda Silver is reason number 2 why I picked this bike. It's very rare. It kind of pops, yet it's still matte at the same time. And it's got that little glimmer and sparkle. This customer also put on 14-inch apes, angled with the points. He's got the boom audio system, Harley-Davidson boom audio. Then he also put the offset Kuryakin pegs on it. We also upgraded, put on chin spoiler, one of the 21-inch wheel on that. He changed his windscreen slightly. And he's also, this year coming up, he's putting a CVO rear fender on it. CVO style rear fender is going to be a little slimmer, a little sleeker. Tighten up the back end a little bit and make it nice and pretty.